All right, so this is a problem that you might get that talks about probability and length. So you ride to work on a bus, and the bus comes every 15 minutes, and the ride to work is 31 minutes. So if I arrive to the bus stop at 8:24 a.m., what is the probability that I will be to work by 9? So I'm starting here at 8:24. And what we've got here is an option where the bus comes every 15 minutes. So from 8:24 to 8:39, there is going to be a bus that comes. And so what I'm trying to do is trying to figure out, well, depending on when this comes, I know that my ride is automatically going to be 31 minutes. So if it came anywhere in this realm, so if it came at 8:24, the time that I would get to work would be adding 30 minutes, which would be 8:55. And if it came super late at 8:39 and I got on the bus then, I wouldn't get to work until 9:10. So if we think about it, we want to arrive between 9 or before. So what's the probability that I'm going to be to the work at 9 if the first time the bus could come, because I could show up at 8:24, the bus could just be there, or I might have to wait 15 minutes because the bus just left. So really the probability ends up being from 8:55 to 9, but then I've got this whole other chunk from 9 to 10. So I can do this by just saying, well, 8:55 to 9, that's 5 minutes out of my total 15 minutes. So that has to be equal to 1 over 3, or 0.33 would be my probability.